It's time for a bird video.
He's playing with the beads up on the ladder. It's so cool. I mean, up on the swing. You can't tell me that ain't cool. Y'all so funny. I love y'all. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. Hi, guy. What's up? Jay, Kate, what y'all doing, Budgie buddies? Budgie buddies. Hi, guys. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. Hey, guys, chill out. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. Come on, Budgie buddies. J and K, come on. Come on. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Ah. Well, maybe one of these days they'll say that. And that's what I noticed. You know, the more I talk, the more they make them noises. The more it makes me want to talk so they can make them noises. And it's a reciprocal effect, isn't it? Yeah, Jay, it's a reciprocal effect, ain't it, buddy? You like it when I talk, don't you, guy? You like it when I talk. Yay! Yay, it's a celebration! Woohoo! Pretty birds, yay! It's my budgie buddies, J and K! Woohoo! Oh, he went down to the bottom, check out the floor. Well, let's see what's Kay's up there. What does she have in store? Not much. I think that bird's a female. I believe, if it is, her name's Kay. And she seems to be doing pretty good today. And I guess you're going to go have some fun. Hi! What's up, buddy bird? What you got going on?